Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at home. Yes? I'm your science teacher and I welcome you for the science class for grade 4. Yes, students, we have started our first lesson, that is plants, the producers. I have explained you about the producers. Then also one more time I am reminding you. You just listen and keep it in your mind. Okay. So plants, the producer. What do you mean by first of all the producers? Producers are nothing but why the green plants are called as producers? Because they can prepare their own food. Yes, we won't prepare and give to them, they will prepare by themselves. So in the plants, as you can see in the picture, you see the plant I have drawn. Okay, so who will prepare the food in that? Flower will prepare, fruits will prepare the food. Then very good. Yeah, only the leaves can prepare their food, as the food is essential as for us to live. Yes, how the food are, why we will, why do we need the food? Because we need the food for us to live. Yes, most of the food we eat comes from where? From the plants only. Yes, from the plants, and plants themselves need food to live. So that's why, where do plants get their food from? Very good, from the leaf. Yes, green plants make their own food, so they, because of that only they are called as producers. In the class I have explained you why the leaf will be in green in color, as you can see here in the picture. Why it will be green in color? Because of the presence of a pigment called, a substance called chlorophyll. Yes, chlorophyll helps plants to make the food. So with the help of the chlorophyll only the leaf can prepare the food. So now we are going to learn about the parts of a leaf. So in the leaf, what will be present, we'll learn today. Okay, can you see here I have written the lamina? Yes, the broad part. The broad part is known as lamina. Okay, the broad flat part of the leaf is called as lamina. I have written on the board, see carefully, or it is called as leaf blade also. Okay, and can you see the small tube like structures here? Okay, there are many tube like structures on the leaf. So these structures are known as veins. What it is called as veins. Okay, broad part is known as lamina, and the vein and the structure, these structures, okay, a fine tube like structures on the leaf are called as veins. The main thick, can you see this line, main thick line? Okay, this straight line to that apex. Okay, that thick line is known as midrib. What it is known as? Midrib. So this line is running through the middle of the leaf, that is known as midrib. Okay, the veins branching out of the midrib, this one, the veins, these are coming outside from the midrib, no, that is known as, what it is known as, already I have said you, the side veins. Okay, these are called the side veins. The tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. This one, the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. So in the online class we'll take the leaf and I'll make you understand everything. Okay, now this one, the leaf stalk. Okay, the part of the leaf that attaches to the stem, this one will be attached to the stem, this stem. Okay, that is known as leaf stalk. The part of the leaf that attaches it to the stem or otherwise the branch is known as leaf stalk. Understood everyone? Now if you will see this leaf under the microscope, what you can observe, a tiny holes you can observe. Okay, small tiny holes you can observe. That holes are known as stomata. Okay, those holes are known as stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A, stomata. So why the holes are present in the leaf, on the leaf? Because it will allow, these holes will allow air to enter or leave the leaf. Okay, air will come, passes to these holes only. So they help the plant to breathe. इससे क्या होता? ब्रीथ कर सकते प्लांट. ओके, सांस ले सकते किससे? ये स्टोमाटा से. So different plant will have different types of leaves. Yes, we can generally identify a plant by looking at its leaf only. We can identify it. Are you getting my point, everyone? Well, you have understood, I think so. We'll continue this one in the next class. So once you read it, you will get, okay? If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the online class. Till that time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.